So I used today as an excuse to heat cycle the new Nankangs.
Like, God! Like, we're just flying!
Compensating. Look at the thickness of that. Oh my god.
That's...
I want a margarita. All right, we're back again at Evergreen. You know, I said I was only gonna bring the car out for wet autocross days, but next weekend I'm gonna be at the Ridge. So today, here, I'll use the other side. So I used today as an excuse to heat cycle the new Nankangs. These are 245 because of street class rules. And also just got the new brake pads, Project Mu Club Racers, so I'm gonna bed them in today. So yeah, today is mostly just to warm up the car for the Ridge. It's a good day though. Like, all the friends are here. Daniel, we got Aaron.
Hello.
Rome, we got fucking everyone here today.
I hate Hondas.
Yeah.
I hate them.
Fit. Another fit. Third fit. Lots of fits. Oh, the Johnnies. Oh, yeah, and we also got Jazz out here today. I got Andy out. Yeah. I wasn't expecting a whole lot today, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a sold out event today. Jackie and Will and just their FRS. This thing just like hooks up so good. Like when you're up on the bank, like you don't even have to like let off at all. It's so nice.
Man, if they count that, that's cool, because I totally hit a cone.
What was that? Like a 10?
102?
F.
I guess they're counting it. Yay, cheating!
Yeah! God. See?
Oh no, they took it back.
Oh, okay. See, this is why I'm like, if only had like a K Miata instead, because there's like zero weight. You just turn it and it just keeps going, no problem.
It's so nice. There's not enough power for it to kick out.
Yeah.
Or just foot to the floor the whole time.
Yeah, like literally, just that bank alone. Like last time I was in it, I was like, what the fuck? It just keeps turning. Like you don't have to worry at all about it either slipping out or understeering or anything.
The bank is where it feels like best, like aero wise.
so there are some spots where like I can feel the car starting to understeer, and my brain wants to let off. I'm like, no, the tire can grip it, so just keep the power down. So.
The tires have amazing amount of grip.
Yeah, like who would have thought, like, brand new tires?
Fuck?
Yeah.
Well,
so yeah, who would have thought? Brand new tires. They're doing the job. It's pretty interesting going from all seasons in the wet last weekend to 200 treadwear in the dry, and yeah, they hook really good. I have to adjust my driving a little bit, but right now we're in second place rear-wheel drive, and I think second place overall, which is pretty great. I'm just kind of managing the rubbing, but I think it's fine.
it's cool because the torque just hits and you just...
Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Don't mind that.
I really like your car.
Thank you. It was a pain in the ass to put on.
It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Are you ready?
Oh. Yes. Yes. I fucking found it. See, but in your car, you can just whoop, whoop.
No, but your car, I'm just like, God! Like we're just flying.
Yeah.
Your car's got a good amount of grip.
It's just.
Do you feel? Cause like your car feels like it's on rails. I don't know.
I mean, like, I'm not saying it grips bad. I'm just saying yours feels so like zero effort, just like this.
Yeah. I think you're coming too close to that cone right there.
This one.
And you should come out wider and just straight shoot that way.
Which one? Here?
This cone, I think you're hugging it too close, and you have to go like way left, like that guy around it, and then back around.
I see.
I think if you come out wider, you can just straight through almost all of it and pick up a little bit of time there. And also, I don't know why you're not foot to the floor way back over here. You're like, you kind of went into it and then you went foot to the floor. I don't know. I feel like you could get like full throttle way sooner. Like you should be full throttle before you get to the gate for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Here it's more of just like it's because of my eyesight. Like I'm looking right in front of me, so then my brain is like. It's telling me like, oh, you shouldn't full throttle yet. And it's like, no.
You should be full throttle like way sooner, I feel like. I think if you got those two things, you could probably shave off time.
Yeah, I'll try that then. Yeah, I'm just I'm looking for some spots where I can just wide open sooner. Because again, it's me just being like, just trust the tire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, save some time finally. Whew. Hopefully that keeps me in front now, in third. Okay, so throughout the day we were sitting at third place, and I was trying to whittle down my time from a 59.5 to maybe a 58, like a high 58, but I was struggling all day. Towards the end, Alan gave me some pointers to get on throttle earlier here so I can just make more speed through this little area, and I did. The car got a little squirrely, but it helped a lot. I went from 59.5 to 59.2, so it keeps me in third, but at least the gap between third and fourth are bigger, so I feel more safe in keeping my spot. So yeah, good shit.
Better than Aaron, that's what something.
You'll get there one day.
Damn, got me.
I still haven't got their cameras out.
DJ.
Paparazzi.
Why?
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 They gotta capture the moment.
Capture the moment.
Savor it forever. I want a margarita. Congratulations. Thank you. That is a dinky boy.
It's so small. Compensating. Look at the fucking thickness of that. Oh my god.
That's